Hey everyone, it's Helga or PuddingFishCakes here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of YumeTwins, which is a monthly Kawaii subscription box from Japan. They were kind enough to send me a box so I can show you all what's inside. Each month is a different collection of items, and I believe this one is from November of last year. If you're interested in getting your own box, click the link in the description box below. Also, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'll be announcing the winner to my last video's giveaway. First up is this rabbit plush, which is so cute and huggable. I can't stop feeling its fur because it's so soft. Second is this Pokemon coin pouch, which is pretty self-explanatory. Next is a Little Twin Stars stationery set. It comes with note paper, envelopes, and some stickers too. Next is this squishy keychain in a cat character. It's a bakery style, so it smells like sweetbread. Then I've got a Rillakkuma key cover, which I will 100% be using for my house keys. Here's a Hello Kitty ruler that folds into double its size, which makes it super compact. And lastly, which is also my favorite, is this Disney Tsum Tsum fleece blanket. This is definitely going to keep me warm for the rest of this cold Canadian winter. Thanks again to YumeTwins for sending me this box. If you want to get your own, click the link in the description box below. And here's the winner to my giveaway from last week. Congratulations! If you are the winner, please email me puddingfishcakes@gmail.com to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who took the time to enter. I loved reading your comments, and I also learned of new fruits, which I've never heard of before. If you didn't win this time around, no worries, I'll be hosting a ton more giveaways soon. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified of new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!